You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names, pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got more for you coming up. German origin meaning noble. English pronunciation, the most common pronunciation is as Adalynn. It's sometimes spelled with only one N at the end. Adalynn. Some may pronounce it also as Adalynn. How do you pronounce it yourself? Adalynn or Adalynn? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.